Same word, two completely different meanings. And a computer has to figure out which one you mean, using nothing but the words sitting around it. Last episode, we gave AI a way to do exactly that. An RNN reads one word at a time and carries a memory forward. So by the time it reaches bank, it already remembers river, showed up a few words earlier. Clever, and it works. But it has a real weakness. And today, we fix it with an idea so good, it did not just improve on RNNs, it almost replaced them entirely. By the end of this video, you will understand attention, the mechanism sitting underneath GPT, Claude, and nearly every serious AI model built in the last several years. No calculus, no dense notation, just the idea, which is simpler and more elegant than its reputation suggests. So let's start with the exact problem that attention was built to solve. Remember how an RNN works. Read a word, update the memory, pass it forward. Read the next word, update the memory again, step by step, all the way till the end. Here is the problem though. Imagine a very long sentence, 50 words, 100 words. By the time RNN reaches the end, the memory has been updated 50 or 100 times. Whatever was true about word number 3 has been overwritten, diluted, and blended so many times that its influence has nearly vanished. It is exactly like a long game of telephone. The message at the end barely resembles the message at the start. For short sentences, that fading barely matters. For long documents, conversations, long code files, it becomes a real problem. The RNN simply forgets things that happened too long ago. And here is a question that changed everything. What if, instead of relying on memory that has to survive on a long relay race, a word could just look directly at any word in its sentence, no matter how far away, and decide for itself how relevant it is? And that is attention. So let's build it up piece by piece. Here is the entire idea of attention with zero math using a room full of people. Imagine you walk into a room to answer one question. Everyone in the room has some information, but not all of it is relevant to your question. So, what do? You do not treat every person in the room equally. You glance around and you instantly see some people feel more relevant than others. You pay more attention to them, you barely register the rest of the people. That is exactly what attention does inside a sentence. Take the word bank. It needs to figure out what it means. So it looks at every word in the sentence, the, by, the, river, and it asks each one, how relevant are you to me right now? River answers loudly, extremely relevant. The answers quietly, barely relevant at all. Attention takes those relevance scores and uses them to build a new, smarter understanding of the word bank, one that leans heavily on the words that actually matter and mostly ignores the ones that do not. No memory has to survive a long journey. No relay race. Bank reaches out directly to river no matter how far apart they sit in the sentence and pulls in exactly what it needs. And that is attention. Every word gets to ask every other word, how much should I care about you? So let's make that concrete with our actual example. Take bank in the bank by the river. It looks at every word around it and assigns each one a relevant score. River gets a strong score since it directly determines the meaning. By gets a small but real score since it signals a spatial relationship. The gets almost nothing. It is just a small function word carrying very little meaning. Those scores are not fixed rules by someone wrote by hand. They are learned. The same way every weight in the series has been learned. Guess, measure the loss, send the blame backwards, nudge the weights. Do that across every sentence, enough sentences, and model learns on its own that river is exactly the kind of word that should heavily influence bank, while the almost never should. Now flip the sentence. The bank approved the loan. Same word, bank. Completely different neighbors. This time, approved and loan light up as highly relevant, and the word bank ends up meaning something entirely different, a financial institution instead of a river bank. Attention did not need any special rule for this. It simply looked at whatever words were actually present and let them speak for themselves. And here is the part that makes this genuinely powerful. This is not something that happens once for one special word. Every single word in the sentence does this. At the same time, for every other word. The looks at everything. Bank looks at everything. River looks at everything. You end up with a rich web of relationships all computed in parallel all at once. That word parallel is worth pausing on because it is the second reason attention won. Remember, an RNN has to go step by step. Word 1, then word 2, then word 3 in a strict order because each step depends on the memory from the step before it. That is quite slow. And it does not take advantage of modern hardware, which is extremely good at doing many things simultaneously. Attention has no such restriction. Since every word looks at every other word directly, without waiting for a memory to travel through a chain, the entire calculation can happen at once across the whole sentence in parallel. This is a massive speed advantage, and it is a huge part of why attention scaled up to the enormous models that you use today. Not just because the idea is smarter, because it is also dramatically faster to compute at scale. Now, a real model does not use just one pass of attention and call it done. It stacks this idea in layers, and the exact same principle from a very first neural network episode. One layer of attention builds a slightly richer understanding of each word. That richer version gets passed into another layer of attention, which refines it further. Stack enough of these layers, and the model builds up an extraordinary, nuanced sense of how every word in a sentence or a whole document relates to every other one. That stack of attention layers has a name you have absolutely heard before. It is called a transformer. And now you know what the word actually refers to. Not something mysterious, a stack of attention layers, each one letting every word look at every other word and decide what matters. Learn the same way everything else in the series learns. So let's bring it home. You came in with a word, bank, that a computer has no way to disambiguate without help. Now you understand exactly how modern AI solves that problem. Not by carrying a fragile memory through a long relay race, but by leveraging, but by letting every word look directly at every other word and decide for itself what deserves attention. So, a quick recap, the whole thing in 5 lines. RNN memory fades over long sequences since it has to survive a long chain of updates. Attention lets any word look directly at any other word, no matter how far apart they sit. Third, relevant scores are learned, not handwritten, the same way every weight in the series learns. Fourth, every word does this for every other word all at once, which makes attention both smarter and dramatically faster than RNN. And finally, stack enough layers of attention together and you get a transformer, the architecture behind nearly every major model you use today. And here is your one next step. Next time you use an AI model and it correctly figures out what a tricky, ambiguous word means from context, pause for a second and picture what just happened underneath. Somewhere in that model, your ambiguous word looked directly at every other word around it and asked quietly, how much should I care about you? That question, asked a million of times in parallel across every layer, is what you are actually talking to. We gave AI vision, then memory, now real attention. Next, we take this exact mechanism and see how it becomes a full language model, the kind that can hold a conversation, write code, and answer questions, one predicted word at a time. If this made attention finally click, please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.